Instead of doing the mid drive, I decided I'm gonna go do the 1500 watt rear hub, and I'll be taking that off and putting this big boy on and see what we can get out of there. And then I guess next week I'll go ahead and upgrade the battery as well. I didn't get the battery yet; it hasn't arrived. Let's see what's in the box. Hey, well packaged, man. I gotta tell you, I ordered this 2 days ago and it's already here. I'll have a link below for that as well. Fast shipping. Let's see what's in here. Just cut everything open. Okay. Well packaged. Let's see. Styrofoam. More styrofoam. More styrofoam. Let's see what's in here. This looks like the controller. And I'll do a more in-depth review as I have time. This controller is huge. Oh my god, I was not expecting this size. I was thinking it was a bit smaller. Okay, let's get rid of that box. More styrofoam. This looks like this helps with your cleaning up your wires, I guess. Put your wires in there. Oh wow. This is great because they actually included a pouch for the controller, and on the website, which I'll have a link for that, they did not put that on there. So I was literally not expecting. I actually went ahead and bought one. They even included a manual. Wow, impressive. Let's see if I can find my knife again. Wherever that is, it could be anywhere. There's a knife. We got a secondary box here. Now, right away, I'm going to tell you another thing they didn't mention on the ad. I mean, it literally just said I would have been getting just the rim. And just looking at this, it's got a freaking tire. So that would save me half the time. So let's see what's in this box here. Looks like your little handlebar thingy. Looks like your cadence sensor, I want to say. More cables, brakes. Like I said, I'll go more in depth as I have time. But for right now, I'm going to keep all this together so I don't make a mess out of everything. Let's see what's in this box. Like I said, I'm a one-man army, so I've got to film and try to do this at the same time with one hand. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is your screen. Looks like good quality, man. Like I said, when I have time, I'll actually go in here and maybe I'll take it out now. Yeah, this is a SW900 screen. I'll probably end up having to use my tire because the grips on here look like they're a bit different. The tire threads. Let's see how I can do this without killing myself. Yeah, they're 20x4. Grips are definitely different. Since my last video, I've actually bought a seat as well, and I'm still contemplating, man, going to BMX style bars. But I'm not a fan of these type of cassettes anyway, so I'll probably get rid of those and keep my 11 to 28, all that came in the box. But I'm still impressed by this controller. This is huge. I've never seen one this big. So my next task is going to be to actually we got a problem here. This is not good. They actually did the same crap the other company did to me, because I can tell there's no release from this brake, from this wheel. But in this case, the computer will be easy to access, so I'll be able to access it easy just to get to the wheel if I have a flat. But I had the very same problem on the first bike. And this is a whole different company, by the way. This is not the same Vince First. I'm not going to bash them on this one. But I'll have to contact the seller because that's a problem. Because in the picture, I'm pretty sure I saw a disconnect here. But it's no big deal, and I'm going to tell you why it's no big deal. Because on this bike, this controller is going to be so big that I'm not going to be able to fit it. I was hoping I'll be able to fit it in this little section with the old one. It's not going to be able to fit there. So what I'll have to do is try to fit it in there. And I don't see a way of fitting it in there either, so I'm going to have to actually mount this probably somewhere, if I got enough room. Maybe between there, or actually I don't know where I'll mount it yet. I'll probably have to mount it up here. Yeah, but hey, it's got to be mounted either ways. So yeah, this is going to be a bit of a challenge, but nothing I can't overcome. So when I get the battery in a week, I'll put it all together and see where we're at. Alright guys, if you like this video,